Hey there, this is Attorney Dan with Attorney Stephen Liu. We've been working on a couple of estate planning cases together over the last couple of months, and I thought I'd have Stephen here come and chat with us about estate planning and what he's experienced over his 20 years of practice. So thanks for joining us.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Yeah, so let's kind of get right into it. Obviously now prices are high.
Right.
There's some equity in the house as the most major asset anyone has. Some people don't realize that probate is based on the value of the estate, and the value of estate is based on market value. So can you expand a little bit about that and how that kind of affects the necessity for estate planning and living trusts?
That's a great point. Yeah. So probate, it's the fees that lawyers are based on the statutory fees. So basically it's just written in the rules. I can't overcharge. I mean, I guess I can undercharge, but I can't overcharge no matter how much time I spent. It's based on the value of what's being passed on, that estate, right? But that said, the value of the estate is based on $1.5 million California house, let's say, but I only have equity of 300,000.
Yeah.
So maybe your assets, you're only worth 300,000, right? At the end of the day, you cash out 300,000. But the value, how I get to base my fees on is on the 1.5 million. That you don't even know. I mean, like you don't even really own that equity, right? And so if I'm looking at the value, very general, I'm going to give you very general, just think 1 to 3% of the gross value of your estate. So you actually live in a $1.5 million house and you have a $1 million rental, 2.5 million. And then, oh wait, you have a Vanguard account. You have all this. So it looks like you're very rich. You got, $3 million, but equity, you have a 10% equity on each house. That's going to be much less. And so I get to base my attorney's fees on that $4 million valuation rather than the actual valuation of your estate, which is maybe 500,000, maybe. I don't know. So that's going to be a huge difference about, again, generally 1 to 3% of that gross amount versus that your actual equity amount.
Yeah, so it's really important for people who are like highly leveraged, right? Highly leveraged.
Oh yeah.
Just because they'll get hit really hard when the time comes.
It's great for the attorney.
Oh, great for the attorney. All right.
Yeah, because you know what, I understand because the work involved of transferring a property it's not based on the equity. It's based on this one. I have to put through probate a $1.5 million house and all that comes with that. Right. So the work is still the same, whether it's 300,000 equity or same for me. So it makes sense. It just doesn't make sense in terms of if we care about the client, right? Like the client or the beneficiaries.
Okay.
It doesn't work. Yeah.